Fingers crossed.
It's V30.
This one, this one.
Let's go, Ahmed. Problems with my SD card. The recording kept stopping, so I had to switch it from my other GoPro. So I had to borrow an SD card from another GoPro. Fingers crossed, I hope it's working now, because it was going crazy. So now we're headed to meet up with the group up in Mexico. We are following Mr. Ahmed on his Gixxer 750. I think it's 750, not a 1000. I think he's running Rosso 4 Corsa. Oh, hit it. Hit it. Oh, it's early. Too early. We're just posting on there. Thumbs up. So we're gonna pull off here and check, make sure the camera's recording.